Thank you very much, Your Excellency. I would like to thank you for the great honor you received me at very short notice, and I have been to Moscow in the last 4 years, 4 times. This is my 4th time, but it's the first time I've been received by Your Excellency. I bring the best regards from my President Joko Widodo. I reported to him that I will visit you and you are going to receive me. And I like to also congratulate you on being elected once again as President of the Russian Federation. As you know, we consider Russia as a great friend, and I would like to continue to maintain and enhance this relationship. In our history, we remember that Russia has always helped us in many aspects. When we were in difficulties, Russia helped us. And although, of course, at that time it was maybe the Soviet Union, but if you come to Jakarta today, many of the big infrastructure were built by Russians, by the Soviet Union. Our Parliament House, our National Congress, our National Stadium, our National Monument, our first highway was built, and many bridges in many parts of Indonesia were built by, at that time, Soviet Union. And you also helped us build up our military forces when we were under threat. And so this is something that we inherit from our parents, that we must never forget those who helped us. And I've experienced great cooperation as Minister of Defense with your ministers and your team. And I come here to emphasize that I would like to enhance this relationship when I take over officially the presidency of the Republic of Indonesia on the 20th of October, this coming October. I have had intensive discussions with your team. I met your Deputy Prime Minister, your first Deputy Prime Minister today. Also, I met senior officials in your industry, in your defense industry, and actually we have been discussing quite intensively in the past few months the roadmap ahead that we would like to increase our cooperation with Russia. So first of course, I already discussed that my main emphasis, apart from food security, energy security, but also for education. And I plan to initiate a massive scholarship program to send our students outside Indonesia, especially for medical training, because we have a shortage of 160,000 doctors, medical doctors. So we would like to, if possible, to send some of our young boys and girls to study in Russian universities, technical colleges, and we will initiate. I will plan to allocate a special budget for the scholarship, but we look to Russia as one of our main countries that we would like to send our young boys and girls to study. In fact, in the 60s, we sent many of our young people to study here. That's about education, and I've been talking to some of your industrialists, and we are open for more Russian participation in our economy. In the field of nuclear energy, we have discussed with your institutions, with Rosatom, the possibility of cooperating in this field. Even the small modular reactors and also the main reactors that we are discussing. In the field of tourism, we have just approved that Aeroflot can fly direct to Bali, and we also welcome Russia opening a consulate general in Bali. I think that there's a plan for Russia to open a consulate general in Bali, and we fully support that, and we will support direct flights, not only, from Russia, Aeroflot or other Russian airlines. In the other fields, we look forward to close cooperation in tactical fields, and also I would like to invite Russian delegation to our defense conference and defense exhibition in November 2024, and also to invite Russian participation in our naval parade, which we would like to carry out in the early 2025. And I have promised your Minister of Defense that we will send a Navy contingent on your next Navy Day parade. If we are invited, we would like to participate. Excellency, we have good cooperation, and we would like to enhance this cooperation. And I've been discussing, and I will continue to discuss in more details the way forward on major programs. Thank you very much, sir.
Благодарю вас и прошу передать самые наилучшие пожелания действующему президенту Михаилу Юрию. У нас с ним всегда были добрые отношения, и надеюсь, что все, что...
Wow, mantap ya guys. Pak Presiden Prabowo bertemu Presiden Putin ya. Ya, lagi membicarakan kerjasama lah ya dari bidang banyak hal ya kan disebutkan di sini. Wow, luar biasa. Nah, jadi guys, tadi yang di awal-awal yang unik ya menurut aku ya kan, sebelum sudah dipersilahkan duduk ya, namun Pak Prabowo masih mau berjabat tangan dengan ya jajaran-jajaran Putin ya kan, menteri-menterinya ya kan. Nah, begitu juga tadi ajudan Pak Prabowo ya, langsung dapat juga salaman dengan Putin. Mantap. Apa tanggapan kalian di sini guys? Silahkan berkomentar. Dan sekian, terima kasih. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye.